Hello children, how are you all? Yes, again we are here and today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is lesson number 12, use of in, on and under. Now you all are big children, so you must know when to use in, when to use on and when to use under, and that we are going to study today. Now, can you see what I am having in my hand? Yes, I am having a box. Now, here I am having one pen in my hand. Now, what I am going to do, you know? Yes, I am going to put this pen in the box. It is inside the box, right? Now, the pen is inside the box. So, what I am going to say? The pen is in the box. Okay, what I am going to say, children? The pen is in the box. Whatever things is inside, we say in. Okay? Again I am having a pen. Now this pen I am keeping in the box. So what I am going to say? The pen is in the box, right? Now again I am having box in my hand and I am having a pen. But now I am keeping that pen on top. Up I am keeping. So now what I am going to say? The pen is on the box. Box is there and on top of that I put the pen. So I am going to say the pen is on the box. Okay. Now same way, I am having a table. Okay. Now what I do? I take my ball and I keep it up on the table. So what I am going to say? The ball is on the table. Now what I am going to do? You know, I am going to take that ball and I will keep that ball down. Means table is there, down I am going to keep that ball. So what I am going to say? Now the ball is not on top, it is not up, it is down. So I am going to say the ball is under the table. Whatever thing which is down, any table or any chair is there and it is down the chair or down the table, we are going to say under. So what I am going to say? The ball is under the table. Now same way, here you are going to see the picture and according to that we must know whether we have to use in, on or under. Now look at the first picture. Okay, what can you see there? Yes, there is a car and somebody is there. Who is there? One man is there, but that man is inside the car. He is not outside, he is inside the car. So what we have to use here? Yes, we are going to use in. So what we will say? A man in a car. Again children, a man in a car. Why we are saying man in a car? Because that man is inside the car. Okay, again a man in a car. Same way, look at the next picture. Can you see books? Yes, and there is one table. And where are the books? Yes, it is kept on the table. Okay, when the things are up, like just now I showed you, there is a box and I keep that pen up. So what I am going to do? The pen is on. I have used on. The pen is on the box. Same way. Now books are there and table is there. So what I am going to say? The books are on the table because it is up. So what I will say? The books are on the table. Okay. Now same way. Okay, there are girls here and you can see a big tree. And what are the girls doing? They are sitting. Where they are sitting? They are sitting down under the tree. So what we are going to use here? Under. So what we will say? Girls are under the tree. What you are going to say children? Girls are under the tree because they are down. Tree is there and they are down. They are under the tree. So we are going to say girls are under the tree. So you know when we have to use in. When the things are inside something, we use in. When the things are on top, we use on, and when it is down, we tell it under, right? Now here we are having a conversation and it is between a teacher and a student. Now teacher is asking something to a boy and his name is Raju. Let's see what teacher want to ask. Raju, where is your ball? Teacher is asking Raju. Raju, where is your ball? When you are playing with a ball, your friends ask or sometimes mummy asks, where is your ball? So here teacher is asking Raju, where is your ball? What answer Raju gives? Let's see. It is in the box. Where was his ball? Yeah, there was a big box and his ball was inside that box. So what he used? In. What he used here? In. It is in the box because it was inside the box. Okay. Now teacher is asking Reena. What is she asking her? Reena, where is your book? She is asking Reena, where is your book? And you know where was Reena's book? Reena, it is on the table. One table was there and Reena kept a book on top, on the table. So what she said? It is on the table. What she says? It is on the table. Okay. Now here we are going to do some activity. So I want all the children to be ready with their, yes, with the book of course and with a pencil and an eraser. Okay, what is the activity here? Take the appropriate word for the following pictures. The picture you have to see properly. Which word will come? Whether it will be in, on or under, you must know, and we are going to take that picture. Okay, now look at the first picture. Okay, now here is a bag and can you see the bottle? Where is the bottle? It is outside, children? No, it is inside, inside the bag. So what we are going to use? The bottle is in the bag because it is inside. So we are going to say the bottle is in the bag. So what we are going to put tick mark, children? Yes, we are going to tick in because the bottle is in. Now same way, look at this picture. Can you see the cat? And a tree, big tree is there. And where is the cat? Yes, she is sitting down. That is down means under. So what we are going to circle? We are going to circle in. No, we are going to put tick mark on and on. No, then we are going to put tick mark on under. So here you are going to put tick mark because the cat is under the tree. Okay. Now here we are having one more picture. Okay. Now there are many balls and a table. And where are the balls? Yes, it is on top. When the things are on top, what we use? Correct. We use on. So here three words are there. In, on and under. What we are going to put tick mark? Correct. We are going to put tick mark on because the balls are on the table. So children, this way you have to practice in, on and under, and you must know, you must see the object and you must know whether we have to use in, whether we have to use on or whether we have to use under. So now what you are going to do? You are going to be a good children, you have to practice that at home and always stay safe and do your work well. Thank you.